Alright, so we're going to be towing a trailer full of junk down this hill. This is a pretty steep hill. Okay, so you see here. Okay, my friend is letting me use their trailer. It has some stuff in it, and we're going to use it to throw some of our stuff. So we'll see how this goes. There's a somewhat of a sharp turn here. So we'll see. I mean, they brought it up here, so I'm sure it should be fine. I'm bringing it down, so I just gotta be careful because the weight of the trailer is going to be pushing on the back of the truck. And I'll show you, there's lots of stuff in it right now. This is what we're hauling. Lots of junk in there. Let's go grab a hitch. Alright, we're going to be using the trailer mode for the first time. We'll turn on this, and we set it up for a dumpster about 8,000 pounds. We're not sure the actual weight, but hopefully around there. And yeah, we got all these other stuff. Hooking it up here. We'll see how it goes. Alright, we're testing the brake lights and the left-right turn signal, and it works, so we're good. I don't know why it's saying this though. And got it chained up here. So we'll see. Let's go. Anyways, you can see it's saying that. You can see there's the trailer behind. It's pulling it, no problem. Seems okay. The scary part will be going down this steep hill. Let's see what happens. You can hear the tire skipping on the gravel. Okay, gonna make it down the hill. Let's see what happens. Going slow. Going slow. Seems okay. This is my first time ever even pulling a trailer, so we'll see, because we're gonna have to go around a somewhat sharp turn here. We'll see how this goes. You can see the trailer there. Seems okay. If I start getting a call from him, I'll be like, something's going wrong. Alright, here's the somewhat sharp turn. Let's go slower. I'm going to hold the brakes just in case. Looks like it's okay. I can see it on the side camera. I'm just holding the brakes just in case. Ooh, that felt very shaky. I'm gonna go extra slow just to be safe, because I don't want that thing to slide off the ball and into my truck. It seems like we're good. Alright, we made it down the hill. Oh, and now the ball re-engaged. Pulling instead of being pushed. And it seems we're good. Gotta make sure we don't hit anything. Looks good. Alright, my friend's driving around. He's probably gonna go. I don't know if he's going with me or if he's going home, but I guess he's going straight. Alright. Seems to be going well.
How does it feel?
So, the only thing, because it's not like grabbing around the ball, like going down the hill, and then when I start going again, it changed from being pulled to being pushed. Yeah. And then you just feel like, but other than that, it feels good. It feels fine. Yeah. I mean, I'm sure that's normal. I never towed before, so.
Reversing is going to be fun.
Oh, it's okay. You just got to make sure I don't run into the garage for me.
So that's why I'm going to be up ahead.
Yeah, yeah. Other than that, it should be good. turning green soon. Okay. Ooh. Feel it hit the ball. And the regen braking also, it like stops on its own, so it's able to slow down and stop the vehicle. I didn't have to push the brake pedal on the flat ground. That's pretty cool. All right. But yeah, every time I stop and go, I feel the ball like re-engage because it's on that little ring. But yeah, not bad. How the cameras, like you can see all the way down. It's pretty good. You can't see where the back of the trailer is, obviously, but a little bit to the side so I don't have to worry about hitting any cars. Although it's only a little bit wider than the truck, it looks like. I don't want to try flooring it or anything like that. But yeah, so far seems good. Sure I don't hit the little bump things here. Good thing today there's no car parked next to them. Usually there's a car parked right next to them. Alright, looks good. Now we just have to figure out how to back it in. I don't know how I'm gonna back this in. I think to back it in I have to go the opposite way first. He told me I'm gonna hit the minivan, so I'm gonna have to. Okay? Okay? I feel like I should turn the other.
Straight at your wheels a little bit more.
Huh? Don't get run over.
Straight at your wheels. Yes, keep going.
Okay.
Keep
Yep.
back. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Keep going, keep going, keep going.
Is it gonna
Pull out your wheels a little bit straight.
like this?
Bend, 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 bend,
Huh?
bend, bend. Stop.
I'm gonna hit the back of the other car.
Jackknifing it.
I know, that's what I said. When you said straight, I was like, isn't that gonna hit? Okay, let me do it the other way.
No, you'll be fine, you'll be fine. Just keep going.
Okay.
Yep, keep going.
Ooh,
Keep going.
that feels so scary.
Yep. Give me another one. Come on, keep going.
Okay.
Keep going, you're doing good.
The ball, sorry, I'm not filming right, but there you go.
Okay. Turn
Straighten
a
it.
little bit.
Should I pull forward?
Yeah, pull forward. Right there. Okay, now reverse back again. Keep going.
Oops, wrong way. I'm gonna go forward again a little bit.
Pull forward.
Yep.
Pull forward.
Straighten it out and then.
Yeah, straighten it out. Now reverse.
How close am I to the garage? Okay. Alright, so here, we got it right here. Alright, made it. Alright, let me just unplug this guy. There. Unplug that guy. There we go. Just gotta raise that up. I can actually lower this down a little as well. Then we can lower this. We can turn off the trailer mode. I think it already did. Oh, it's already in low mode. Okay. So there we go. Alright, and this is what it looks like after pulling it. See, it left behind some metal flakes here. I'm not sure if that came from this or if it came from the other end. But some metal flakes came out. And then this scraped off the coating. But there you go. Alright, I'm going to take this out so it's not out here for someone to steal. But that's pretty much it. And this is what the bottom of that looks like. Alright. And that's what was already inside the dumpster when I started pulling it. So lots of stuff. Alright, so I know someone's probably going to say something about how I was using this lunette ring with a ball hitch mount to pull it. I know I didn't really think about it. I didn't know there were so many different hitch types, and I know that's dangerous because if this thing lifted up and popped off the hitch, it could have rolled into my truck or rolled down backwards down a hill or something. Anyways, so we got this now. So this is the lunette ring, okay? And the part that connects it is called a pintle hitch.